Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the North-South Highway. This is a highway that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Now the operators of the highway announced recently that they are going to start accepting card payments at the toll plazas. So this is good news because it's the year 2025, and can you believe that they were not taking card payments? If you came to the toll plaza and realized you didn't have any cash, the solution of the operators was to have you call somebody and bring the cash to you. So it's good that they have now started to accept card payments. The other highway, Highway 2000 East-West leg that takes you from Kingston to Mandeville, also accepts card payments. So this highway was the last toll highway to start accepting payments. Okay, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And we are actually getting on the highway by Caymanas. This is by when you come off Mandela Highway and enter the highway. This is the Caymanas toll plaza. And there was an incident some years ago where a member of parliament, Lisa Hanno, came to the toll plaza and didn't have any cash or didn't have enough cash. And they told her she needed to call somebody to bring the payment and that is when the whole thing about accepting payments, electric payments or card payments became a discussion basically. So it's good to know that they are now accepting card payments. Motorists using the Jamaica North-South Highway now have the convenience of using debit or credit cards in the toll lanes to pay for passage on the highway. The new payment mechanism has been in place since Saturday, August 2nd, following the installation of point-of-sale machines at all 6 toll plazas along the corridor. Trudy Ann Williams, the commercial and marketing manager at Jamaica North-South Highway, Trudy Ann Williams, explained that customers now have the option to pay using credit or debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover cards. Each toll plaza has a clearly marked designated card/cash lane where drivers can tap, swipe, or insert their cards to make quick and secure payments. Ms. Williams explained, adding that all other toll lanes continue to accept cash payments, ensuring flexibility for all users. The update is one of a series of recent upgrades undertaken by the JNSHC aimed at enhancing customer convenience and streamlining toll transactions along the highway. The improvements represent a major step forward in customer service and digital transformation for the company. Ms. Williams pointed out that the upgrades are designed to provide greater convenience and efficiency for users of the North-South corridor on a daily basis, and we are committed to making our customers' lives easier. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. I think it's a great idea and it took too long. They should have had this service or this option available years ago. You have the mobile point-of-sale machines that you can literally walk up and down with. So but the good thing is they have it in place now, but it should have been in place as soon as the technology became available. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.